Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
To take the concept of edible landscape to the whole next level, using your example of, everybody's coming to market with zucchini at once, a element of it is working with other local people in your neighborhood so that you're not all producing the same thing.
Bingo. And that's something that we're working on. Utopian Harvest model is something I've been working on for about a decade now. And the Utopian Harvest model is kind of that consolidation, that interconnection between backyard growers to create a kind of a consignment service. So if you got excess of something, that it's going into the market. But just like you're talking about, it's like, well, if all of my consignment people are all growing zucchini at the same time, and then I'm taking 180 pounds of zucchini to one market location that can only buy 50 pounds of it, I've got an overabundance of zucchini, and I've got a challenge but I'm selling out of my cucumbers. So it's like, oh, well, I wish we could have connected a little bit more to have more people growing the summer cucumbers, because we sold out of that. And those types of relationships and communications, it just takes a type of communication and awareness of those things, creating those networks. And so that's what we're working on and continuing to work on. So if you're interested in that, the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens is a good showcase for not only the Utopian Harvest model, but also that where we're continuing the research on that connectivity. And coming up here, September 28th is kind of going to be a big kind of reopening. We have a new little market stand and stuff there, a permanent stand where we'll be selling herbs and soaps and a lot of the end products of absolute 100% locally grown things. And so it's not just from the botanical garden. We're also then reaching out to other neighbors and backyard growers so that this can be a place to showcase, test out those types of products. And so you can come taste the best of the best. Come try it out at the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens. Now is a great time to come and visit before it gets really busy come mid-October.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.